Okay, so we have a 302 GMC military engine here that I've modified to use in a civilian car. I'm going to go in a 30 Model A coupe. A few of the things I've done here, I've made a cast and intake manifold for 3 Rochester single carbs. I've converted it to full flow oiling. Some headers, of course. I made some little baffles to go inside to make it a little less annoying. Back here I've put a 235 bell housing on because the original bell housing was for a turbo hydromatic. It just wasn't going to work. So on the starter here, there's a nub on the block that I had to grind off. You can't see it because the starter's there, but in here there's a big chunk of metal you got to grind off to get that to work. So I did that. Got a nice side cover from a guy in Portland. Got a real spanky Judson Super Magneto coil. I don't know what that's going to do, but it runs. Distributor's out of a 235. And I've made that to work. These blocks, the military block, this one was made to ford a river, so everything was sealed. So you could go underwater with them. Well, I don't think I'm going to be going underwater, I hope. So what else can I show you? How about you want to hear it run? All right. Well, let's make a joyful sound. Got the carbs running in sync, so one opens, they all open. Probably going to bog a bit because it's cold. Well, that's it. There you go.